Are you ready to make a chili so delicious it might just win an award? Today, I'll show you how to create a hearty and flavorful chili that's mild, comforting, and perfect for everyone at the table. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium yellow onion, finely chopped, 1 green bell pepper diced, 1 red bell pepper diced, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1/2 pounds of ground beef, 1 large can of crushed tomatoes, 28 ounces, 1 regular can of diced tomatoes, 15 ounces, 2 cans of kidney beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 2 cups of beef or chicken broth or vegetable broth for a vegetarian twist, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. For the seasoning, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of cayenne pepper if you like a little heat, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, juice from 1 lime to balance everything out. Step 1. Heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Toss in the chopped onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and garlic. Sauté these until they're soft and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Next, add your ground beef. Cook it until it's browned and crumbly. If there's extra grease, go ahead and drain it off. Now it's time to bring the base together. Add your crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and broth. Stir it all up. Here's where the magic happens. Add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. If you like a little kick, sprinkle in a pinch of cayenne pepper. Stir everything together and let the flavors start mingling. Bring the chili to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover it up and let it simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now, stir in your kidney beans and black beans. Let the chili simmer uncovered for another 20 minutes. This will thicken it up and let all the flavors come together beautifully. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and the juice of 1 lime. These little touches take your chili from good to unforgettable. Taste it and adjust the seasoning if needed. And there you have it. Ladle this hearty chili into bowls and top it with shredded cheddar, a dollop of sour cream, fresh cilantro, or even some diced avocado. Serve it with crusty bread or crackers and watch the smiles appear. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our delicious creations. Let us know in the comments how your chili turned out. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.